Hello humanity, welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Nanta Pokhriyal this side. Uh, First of all, how are you guys? Well, I'm fine. Sorry my vlogs got delayed because of something mishaps happened in our family, and secondly I was busy. So many things were going around. So I'm extremely sorry. well, I have decided to make another channel that is about women empowerment, that is everything about her. The name of the channel is everything about her. So you can do one thing. If you are a big supporter of women empowerment, you can go and subscribe to the channel. The only thing the ladies have to do is you have to email me on everything about her 2020 at the rate gmail.com. You have to tell me about the special talent you have which you want the world to see. आपके अंदर कोई स्पेशल टैलेंट है तो आपको मेरे को एवरीथिंग अबाउट हर 2020@gmail.com पे लिखना है और मैं आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी दूंगी एज अ मीडियम. मतलब मैं बहुत बहुत अपने आप को लकी मानूंगी कि आप मेरे को चूज़ कर रहे हैं एज अ मीडियम टू शो योर टैलेंट टू द वर्ल्ड, एंड आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. So please, you have to answer few questions. First, what is a talent? Second, what forced you to have the talent? Third, why you chose me as a medium? Fourth, what you will do once you get all the fame and name, how it gonna affect you. And fifth is a very important one, how you see yourself 10 years from now. Now here stands for the time when your vlog would be on air. From there, how you feel yourself after 10 years, since you would be able to find out the real talent in you and the world would have seen the talent. So how you see yourselves 10 years after that. So you have to answer these 4-5 questions and we would definitely be there to help you out. And also I would like to help being a human to you by giving some amount from whatever money we would earn once the channel gets monetized. From for example, if Miss A or Mrs. A would have made some video along with us, so whatever money we will get from that particular video once the channel will be monetized, some amount of that I would definitely be giving to you back as a token of appreciation, like thank you for choosing us. So that's what I have thought. So that thing can empower you. It will help you in becoming what you wanted to be in your dreams or in reality. So that's it. It's about women empowerment, and I thought like I should be doing something more to the society. Just being doctors not far enough. So that's it. Another vlog, another channel is there. Sorry, that has a very good name. Everything about her. And I hope many people would be looking forward to see who will be the first guest of mine to that particular channel. So anyone who wants me to come to you and select you and have you on my channel, firstly as a guest, and after the monetization, definitely you would be getting something from my side as a token of appreciation, which will help you, which will enhance your skills, which will give you an opportunity. I don't know what is scrolling inside. Yeah, it will give an opportunity to you to make your things better, to make your life more soft and subtle, right? So that's what my thinking is after that second channel. Regarding this channel, the main channel, Dr. Ananta Pokhriyal India, soon you'll be seeing many health tips and wellness tips, food, and many things regarding to my own profession, being a doctor. So you can write about what disease you want to know about and what food you should take in that, and how to maintain yourself. And some has written me to talk about moles and warts. I will be soon making a vlog on it, but the topic I have chosen about making a vlog on tomorrow is obesity. And since I'm also fighting with it and I gained weight due to some circumstances, So I'm also fighting with it, and I'm also trying to regulate my weight. So definitely I would like to talk about that particular topic with you guys. And in this fight with obesity, I'm with you. Boom. Okay, we all are together in this fight. So I thought like I should be starting with myself first, that this is my issue, and you can come forward with your issues so I can make more vlogs on it, and I could help you as you can help me with your ideas. I have said a lot. And yeah, uh, I would also be helping the people who are running some restaurants and all, and have certain uh, better places to have food, better food they have, better services they have. But since due to corona everything has gone so down, the market has gone so down. So if you are a restaurant owner and you feel like I should be visiting your restaurant and showing your staff, your food to the people of world, then you can contact me on, I will give the email ID. You can contact me over there, and you have to send me in the PDF since when it started, since when your journey started, how it started, what made you to start it, how was it going before corona, how is it going now after corona, and how you think yourself 2 years from now, and anything what you want to know, who started it, how many friends were there, how many people were there, how it clicked your mind that you should start the restaurant, anything. Okay, about a particular dish, if you have a story to tell, every dish has a story. Like if I make curry, I remember my sister, and with that image in mind and that fragrance, I make curry. Or for example, if I make omelette, I think of my mother, like she used to make very puffy sort of omelette. And regarding every food, I think there's some story. So you can share your story also about one particular dish, or any dish of your restaurant, or any dish, whatever dish you have. So we would love to visit you, and we will really love to show your talent, your food, your everything, and how you maintain uh, social distancing inside, and how you do things inside, just to make sure that the people who visit you are safe enough regarding hygiene and everything. So the benefit of that would be the people will start coming to you after seeing what facilities you are giving in this corona time also. So any restaurant owner, if you want to contact me, you can contact, and I'll see to it whether I can make a separate channel for such issues, and also for those people who want to showcase their good villas, beautiful villas, luxurious villas, and apartments, whatever it is, your property. If you want to show your property, you can also contact me. And I'm planning to have another YouTube channel for that, regarding restaurants and luxurious homes. So anyone who wants to showcase their food, you can contact me. Wherever you are in the world, you can just email. That's it. You have to email and contact us, and we will definitely talk to you about it. If everything progresses fine, everything goes smooth, because there will be some troubles regarding visa and everything. So if everything finalizes, because you also have to help us, guys, it's not just one-sided, you also have to help us. So and definitely there will be some rules and regulations regarding our visit to you. And that's it. We will just only be showing you your property. Okay, that's it. And there would be certain charges for that, and about which we will talk on email, but I have given the hint to you. Beautiful houses, you're always welcome. Beautiful restaurants, or even if your restaurant is not working fine, just let us know, and we would try to make it look good and look beautiful for yourself. Okay, any help, just let us know. Separate YT channel I'll be making for it. So anyone, don't copy me. Okay, but YT is the sky's the limit for YT. So anyone can do anything. But so that makes 3 channels. One is for my fitness, my own original one. Okay, Dr. Nainda Pokhral India. Travel vlogs will come, my own travel vlogs. My food vlogs will come. Okay, If I go to some restaurant, I'll cook, then definitely I'll show. Then my fitness, whatever I do for my fitness, I do exercise, guys, and my wellness will be there regarding health, regarding medicine sense, like regarding whatever diseases are there, and we will be talking about them. That is separate. Then comes second regarding women empowerment, everything about her. 2020@gmail.com is the email ID regarding women empowerment only right now. Okay, and third which I'll be making will be about restaurants and luxurious apartments or villas. Okay, so regarding properties, so food, and name me something. I'll make some beautiful name. I want a beautiful name for the third YT channel. Please guys, it will be only limited to restaurants and beautiful properties. So if you have any beautiful name, you know, that a very fascinating one, a very catchy one, so please write to me. I'll definitely look forward to it, and I'll name it after you. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you. Keep sharing your love everywhere. So you have been a great support on my podcast. Thank you for listening me. Thank you for appreciating me. Thank you for being such a great family on Twitter. It's near to 4,000 now, so I'm really fortunate enough. I never thought I'll be crossing 1,000 also, to be truthful. Thank you for being 4,000, and thank you for loving me on Instagram, nandita.pokhriyal. Thank you for loving me on Telegram. You guys write me a lot. Thank you very much. And on Facebook also I have a huge big family, nearly 4,000 or something, I think 4,000 something. But I have to reinstall it since I have deleted it. It was very taking time of mine, so I have deleted. But since I have so many things in mind and I need a social platform to to tell my views on, so I think I'll be reinstalling it, and as soon as I reinstall, I'll let you guys know what's my ID on Facebook. Actually it's again Nandita Pokhriyal India. I think Nandita Pokhriyal India only it is. So just let me know guys how you feel about my these plans. If you have any suggestion, please give it to me. I'll take it very happily, and that's it. Thank you very much.